Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going to learn how to use HTML to show an image on the browser. First thing we do is type tag img and followed by src and the name of the image. You'll see that the image is missing here because it's not on the desktop. So what I do here is go to my downloads, find an image with the name, so it's Minute Coding logo. I copy it and I paste it onto my desktop. Now it has to be on the same directory / folder as your HTML in order for it to be found. So I refresh here and I see it displays here. Now one other thing I could do here is I can actually customize like the width of the image. I get indicated by quotation marks, and the height of the image as well. I refresh, you see it right there. I put it in full screen here, see the full effect. One last thing is the alt. This shows up if the image is not found. So I'll just simply throw this in a recycle bin and hit refresh.